The therapeutic benefits of gardening. Welcome to Plant Care, where we explore the therapeutic benefits of gardening. In today's video, we'll dive into how gardening can reduce stress, improve mental health, boost overall well-being, and bring a sense of peace and tranquility to your life. Stay tuned to discover the incredible ways connecting with nature through gardening can enhance your well-being. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to join our community of plant enthusiasts. Let's get started. Gardening reduces stress and anxiety levels. Gardening provides a unique and immersive experience that can significantly impact one's mental well-being. One key reason for this is the physical activity involved in gardening. Engaging in activities such as planting, weeding, and watering not only provides a form of exercise but also allows individuals to connect with nature and escape from the stressors of everyday life. Physical exertion in the garden can help release endorphins, which are known to boost mood and reduce anxiety. Moreover, the act of cultivating a garden offers a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Watching seeds sprout, plants grow, and flowers bloom can be incredibly rewarding and therapeutic. This process instills a feeling of responsibility and nurturance, fostering a sense of self-worth and confidence. Additionally, the cyclical nature of gardening, from sowing to harvesting, encourages patience and mindfulness, teaching individuals to appreciate the present moment and embrace the passage of time. Gardening also provides a sensory experience that can soothe and calm the mind. The sights, smells, and sounds of the garden stimulate the senses and create a serene environment. The vibrant colors of flowers, the earthy scent of soil, and the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze all contribute to a sensory-rich experience that can promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Being immersed in nature has been shown to lower cortisol levels, decrease heart rate, and improve overall feelings of well-being. In conclusion, the multifaceted benefits of gardening extend beyond the mere act of planting and tending to a garden. The therapeutic effects of gardening on stress and anxiety levels are deeply rooted in the physical, emotional, and sensory experiences it offers. By engaging in gardening activities, individuals can cultivate not only a flourishing garden but also a sense of peace, purpose, and tranquility within themselves. Connecting with nature through gardening improves mental health. One of the profound ways in which gardening positively impacts mental health is through the connection it fosters with nature. Engaging in gardening provides individuals with a direct link to the natural world, allowing them to immerse themselves in the sights, sounds, and rhythms of the environment. This connection can serve as a form of grounding, enabling individuals to step away from the fast-paced, technology-driven modern world and reconnect with the beauty and simplicity of nature. Gardening also offers an opportunity for individuals to practice mindfulness and be present in the moment. By tending to a garden, individuals are forced to slow down, observe, and engage with their surroundings. This focus on the present can have meditative effects, helping to reduce intrusive thoughts, rumination, and worries. The act of connecting with nature through gardening encourages a state of flow, where individuals are fully absorbed in the task at hand and experience a sense of timelessness. Furthermore, the natural environment of a garden has been shown to have restorative qualities for mental health. Spending time outdoors among plants and greenery has been linked to reduced levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. The presence of phytoncides released by plants, the beneficial microorganisms in the soil, and the vitamin D from sunlight exposure all contribute to the overall sense of well-being experienced by gardeners. Research has indicated that gardening can improve mood, increase feelings of happiness, and enhance overall mental resilience. In essence, the act of connecting with nature through gardening serves as a bridge between humanity and the natural world, offering a sanctuary for mental health and well-being. The therapeutic benefits of being surrounded by green spaces, engaging in horticultural activities, and cultivating a relationship with plants and the earth can have profound effects on mental clarity, emotional balance, and psychological resilience. The power of nature to heal and nurture the mind is evident in the transformative experiences that gardening can provide. The physical activity involved in gardening boosts overall well-being. Engaging in gardening offers a plethora of physical health benefits that can significantly boost overall well-being. The physical activity involved in tasks such as planting, weeding, watering, and harvesting provides individuals with a low-impact form of exercise that promotes movement and flexibility. These activities require a wide range of motions, including bending, reaching, digging, and squatting, which help to improve joint mobility and muscle strength. Regular participation in gardening can contribute to enhanced physical fitness and overall vitality. Research has shown that the moderate-intensity physical activity associated with gardening can have positive effects on cardiovascular health. The repetitive nature of tasks like raking, hoeing, and pruning can help to elevate heart rate, improve circulation, and increase endurance. Engaging in these activities for just a few hours a week has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. The combination of aerobic and strength-building exercises that gardening provides can contribute to better heart health and overall longevity. In addition to promoting cardiovascular fitness, gardening has been shown to offer benefits for weight management and metabolic health. The calorie-burning nature of gardening activities, coupled with the exposure to natural sunlight and fresh air, can help individuals maintain a healthy weight and improve their metabolism. The physical exertion involved in gardening can aid in burning calories, building muscle mass, and reducing body fat. Furthermore, the vitamin D obtained from sunlight exposure while gardening plays a vital role in regulating metabolism and supporting overall wellness. Overall, the physical activity associated with gardening serves as a holistic approach to enhancing well-being, encompassing benefits for cardiovascular health, weight management, and metabolic function. The combination of moderate-intensity exercise, outdoor exposure, and engaging in purposeful tasks can contribute to a healthier lifestyle and improved physical fitness. By embracing gardening as a form of physical activity, individuals can enjoy the multifaceted benefits that it offers for their overall well-being and long-term health. Growing plants can enhance feelings of accomplishment and purpose. Engaging in the practice of growing plants can provide individuals with a deep sense of accomplishment and purpose. The process of planting seeds, nurturing them as they grow, and witnessing the progression from seedling to mature plant can instill a profound feeling of achievement. For many gardeners, the act of tending to plants and seeing them thrive offers a tangible representation of their effort and care, creating a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Research indicates that the act of gardening triggers the release of dopamine in the brain, a neurotransmitter commonly associated with pleasure and reward. The act of successfully growing plants can stimulate the brain's reward system, leading to feelings of happiness, pride, and accomplishment. This neurochemical response can contribute to an enhanced mood and an increased sense of well-being, creating a positive feedback loop that reinforces the gardener's emotional connection to their plants. Furthermore, the act of nurturing plants and watching them flourish can imbue individuals with a sense of purpose and responsibility. The daily tasks involved in caring for plants, such as watering, fertilizing, and pruning, provide a routine and structure that can promote feelings of purposefulness and productivity. The act of being responsible for the growth and well-being of plants can give individuals a sense of agency and control over their environment, fostering a deeper connection to nature and a greater appreciation for the natural world. Ultimately, the process of growing plants goes beyond the physical act of gardening. It encompasses emotional and psychological benefits as well. The feelings of accomplishment, purpose, and connectedness that arise from cultivating plants can have a profound impact on mental well-being, helping individuals to cultivate a sense of fulfillment, nurturing, and personal growth. By immersing oneself in the world of plants and gardening, individuals can experience a deep sense of achievement and purpose that transcends the boundaries of the garden and enriches their lives in meaningful ways. Spending time in a garden can provide a sense of peace and tranquility. Immersing oneself in a garden setting can offer a profound sense of peace and tranquility, allowing individuals to unwind and reconnect with nature. Research suggests that spending time surrounded by greenery and natural elements can have a calming effect on the mind and body, promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. The sights, sounds, and scents of a garden can create a multisensory experience that soothes the senses and promotes a sense of inner calm and well-being. The practice of engaging with nature in a garden setting has been shown to have therapeutic benefits for mental health. Studies have indicated that exposure to natural environments can help reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions. The restorative qualities of nature, combined with the peaceful ambiance of a garden, can provide individuals with a respite from the demands of daily life and offer a sanctuary for reflection and contemplation. In addition to the psychological benefits, spending time in a garden can also have positive effects on physical well-being. The act of gardening itself can offer a form of gentle exercise, promoting mobility, flexibility, and muscle strength. Furthermore, exposure to natural light and fresh air in a garden environment can contribute to improved mood and energy levels, enhancing overall feelings of vitality. The sense of peace and tranquility that arises from spending time in a garden is not merely a fleeting experience but can have lasting effects on an individual's well-being. By creating a space that fosters relaxation, connection with nature, and sensory stimulation, gardens serve as a natural refuge that promotes mindfulness, rejuvenation, and inner harmony. Whether through quiet contemplation, gentle activity, or simply being present in the moment, gardens offer a sanctuary for the mind, body, and soul, allowing individuals to find peace and tranquility in the beauty of the natural world. The therapeutic benefits of gardening. Explore more about the therapeutic benefits of gardening by watching other videos on our channel, Plant Care. Join our community of plant enthusiasts by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video to support our mission in promoting well-being through the power of nature. Thank you for watching.